Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the Revit Parabolica motorcycle jacket. This is the navy version. They have black and I think maybe green, kind of like an army green. So as you can see, zippered closure. Sort of like a fleecy type lining here, and then a sort of a meshy type lining inside. I do have a back protector in there. There are no inside pockets, but there are two zippered outside pockets. The sleeves, one thing I'm not crazy about on the sleeves is this bit of fabric that hangs out with the thumb hole. I find it gets in the way and I don't use it, so kind of wish that wasn't there. But there is CE1 armor in the shoulders and in the elbows, and CE2 in the back. So if you flip this around, there is a hood, and it does snap down to the back of the jacket to keep it from flopping around, so I like that. There's a bit of reflective striping on the back. There is also a zipper to attach them to your riding pants. The material is stretchy, which I like. And overall, I love this jacket. Like I said, the only thing I don't like is this material in the sleeves. It goes in and then it connects to the jacket, so it's not something, it's not a liner that you can remove, unfortunately. But there it is, the Revit Parabolica motorcycle jacket. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment in the box below, and I will see you in the next video.